Trading the foreign exchange market carries high risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Trading on margin, utilizing leverage can carry an even higher level of risk that can lead to a complete loss of investment funds. So before deciding to trade the foreign exchange market or using any of our software alert products, you should carefully and diligently consider your personal investment objectives, level of experience, and risk tolerance. There is a possibility that you could potentially sustain significant loss. You should not invest any capital or trade that you cannot afford to lose. It is your responsibility to be aware of and understand all risks associated with foreign exchange trading and to seek professional advice from an independent certified financial advisor if you have any doubts. Auvoria Prime does not exercise trading authority over your trades. You and you alone exercise discretionary trading authority over every trade.
So look at the chart here. Look at the dashboard. We see here we've got 3 of the pound pairs are up, 3 are down for the day. All right. Euros, we got 3 up for the day, 1 down. German 30 is down for the day. S&P 500 is down for the day. All right. GJ set up for strategy 3. The only reason I didn't take it, actually set up for strategy 3 and 4 on this trade right here to set up. Only reason I didn't take it is because there is an order block sitting here from a long while ago. I had to go back months to find this one. And then it closed inside that order block. So if I do take a sale, price is gonna have to come underneath this order block like it is now, come back, retest it, and then give me a bearish price action coming out of off the order block for me to take a sale. All right. And if it does that, man, I need to go figure out where the next order block is at or the next area because there's nothing below that. I was not expecting it to drop. I wanted it to bounce. So let's go find that. You see, you got to go way back, go on H4 and find something. All right. Got to go on H4 to find something. All right, bet. There we go, right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Go. We have some imbalance just right below it. We have some imbalance that has not been utilized. Should be a good area. Should be a good area. All right, cool. We gotta go find that next level. All right, so we'll keep our eye. GJ is in a downtrend. GU is in a downtrend. GU doing the same thing. Good Lord. H1 sitting at a zone. That's good to see. H4. GI came back in. You see that candle right there? Closed above it. Next candle went to the stratosphere. 40 pips. Got you 20 easily. Broke the Asia channel. Strategy 3. GP NZD, same thing. Broke it. Quick little 20. Quick little 20 on that one. Ran up 25 pips. Caught a quick 20 right there. GCAD. Ooh, that's lovely right there. Look at that. Doji, bearish, engulfing. Guaranteed when it closes in 1 minute, guaranteed it's going to be a fractal high on that doji. Guaranteed. Wait for that one to close, and you'll see that the fractal high pops up. What is that then? What are we going to get right there? 20 down to the zone. It's in an uptrend, so it'll be a counter trend trade. Man, I still might take this. Oh, man. GN still coming down. GI is in the zone. Close in the zone. GJ. That GCAD is lovely. That is a beautiful counter trend setup right there. Beautiful. Price action out of the zone. GCAD is ugly right now. It was very difficult for me to find some structure, but I am wanting to take this trade. I know that. I'll leave it alone. G-Chef coming down. And a dirty 30. We're just waiting for the London Open. Waiting for the London Open. That GCAD was like a quick little 10-pip hitter, though, I tell you that. Quick little 10-pip hitter. We in there. I'm in there for a sale. I am in GCAD for a sale. I'm going 10 pips. I'm going 10 pips. I'm going to put it down like it's going 20, though. We're going to put it down here. I'm in that bad boy. I'm looking to closer. I'm looking to take 10, somewhere between 10 and 20 pips. I like it. You got a 1 hour order block right here. Got that doji coming in out of there, lower lows. Beautiful doji coming out of that bearish engulfing. Counter trend trade, so I'm not going to go for the full 20, but we're going to run with it. Probably should have got in earlier. Should have just went with my instincts. But I'm in for a sale on that GCAD. All right. You already had one bag entry in the opposite direction. All right. I would suspect that when this counter right here closes in 12 minutes, we'll probably get another AIRO. All right. So I'm going to put it down at 20. But I'm looking to take 10, 15, the full 20. We'll see. I don't know. All right. GJ. All right. GU trying to push. GR still pushing down. GN still pushing down. That's what I like to see. I like to see everything else still pushing in the same direction. So we got that correlation we need. Everything's still pushing down. All right. I want to be able to get in. I'm hoping we can get a quick 10, 15, even a full 20 before New York, already before about it's 1:19 right now. I want to see it before 1:45. That 15 minutes leading into London. is when things start to either really progress in that one direction or make that return. You make that pullback. Sometimes it pulls back and then drops, or sometimes it just pulls back all the way. And so hope we can get this nice little 10, 15, 20 here in this next 25 minutes. That way we can get out. I like it though. You see GI pushing down hard through the border block, GN pushing down. We're in GCAT, G Chef still pushing down. GU and GJ are kind of stalled right now. That's fine. We are in GCAT on a sale. All right, let's stop sharing. Let's go look at the news as well as the. All right, refresh my FX book here. So I'm gonna start pulling up on a computer. Shout out to Jackie. I wasn't even thinking about a computer. I either use it on my phone. I'm gonna start showing you guys this here. So we are here. Hold on, 39 minutes. We got green folder, Euro news, 39 minutes. We also got orange folder, Euro. Other than that, it's just nothing, all green. So my Facebook is pretty clear. Forex Factory, let's come here. It's clear. Let's see here on the Forex Factory. All right. Like we have about 4 pips right now from what I can see on my phone. All right, let's refresh. You can see here, JPY BOJ press conference is pending or tentative. Tentative. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Other than that, yeah, I mean, you got orange folder, Great Britain pound. Then should be a pretty clear night tonight. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right. Let's get back to the charts real quick. See how we looking. See if we cooking yet. We cooking? +4, +5. That's what I'm talking about, baby. What I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. +5 on that GCAT. Oh, yeah, that's what we're supposed to look at. The currency strength meter. My apologies, guys. Currency strength meter. Share the screen. Boom, boom, boom. We are in GBP/CAD. So Great Britain pound is very low, the lowest it can get. CAD is not very high, but it is definitely 3 times higher than GBP. So that's what we want to see right there. We want to see that because we expect price to go down. So the pair we're trading is the Great Britain pound, Canadian dollar. All right. You want the Canadian dollar to be stronger because the Great Britain pound is the base pair. So for the base pair to be in a sale or to be heading down, you want the Canadian dollar, the quote pair, to be the stronger pair. Right now, Canadian dollar is the strongest pair out of the two. Therefore, we're seeing price head down. So I'd love for this to get a little higher. I want to see this go as high as it can and Great Britain pound stay right there where it's at its level. That would allow us to see potentially faster results to our take profit. I got mine set at 20 pips. We're looking for 10 to 20, somewhere in that range. 10 to 20, somewhere in that range. We were at +5. Let's go back and look. +8. Ooh. +8, +7. All right, I like it. We'll keep a watch on it. GJ. All right, cool. GJ pushing. That's good. That's a good sign. And GU trying to. So they catching momentum out of that. We should be good for the full 20 because the rest of them are moving. GI dropping hard, GN dropping hard, G Chef dropping hard. So yeah, we should easily see a quick 10 to 20 somewhere in that range. All right, 10 to 20. All right. Now you're probably asking, why aren't you going to full 10 or the full 20? Why are you saying 10 to 20? Well, this strategy here is the fractal strategy. All right, the fractal strategy. And the fractal strategy is also against the trend because the current trend is up, but we're taking a sell and uptrend. But I'm just trading price action. I'm trading a combination of price action, which is the fractal strategy that had a rejection out of a 1 hour order block. And the correlation between all the Great Britain pound pairs are showing sell. That's why I hopped in. Should have hopped in earlier because we could have been in when price was back up here. So probably cost us about 2 pips. We'd be at 10 pips right now. Got to be more careful. The dirty 30. I'm gonna watch. Right now, this is the Asia session range. I don't count the wicks, only the bodies. So we're currently in the range of Asia session. All right. You can see here we got 15-minute order blocks and imbalance shown here, all shown. So we'll see how price reacts to everything. FYI, this right here is the all-time high up here. This is the all-time high for German 30. So it would not surprise me to continue to see price head back down. So we tap 10. So if you're comfortable taking your 10 pips of GCAD, take it. You can't go broke taking profits. All right, can't go broke taking profits. I'm looking for 10 to 20 range. I think we got some momentum. So I'm gonna hold. But I would tell you, I am gonna lock in profits though, because I was just looking for 10 to 20. So I am gonna lock in profits. It's free trade for me. Free trade. I'm gonna lock in 3 pips like always. I'm locking it in early because I was looking for 10. So I'm locking it in early. Usually I lock it in at 15. I'm gonna lock it in. You're gonna let it run. There go 11. Come on, baby. Give me that 15, 20. Give me that full 20. Go on, hit that TP down there. We got 5 minutes into the new candle. 5 minutes to the new candle here. If you're happy with your 10 pips, take them. If you're happy with it, take it. Take it. I'm feeling good. So I'm gonna try to hold it for the full 20. That's why I locked in 3. It comes back and hit me, not bad. I've already got 20 from GBP NZD earlier, so we're gonna keep it rolling. Same setup too. Now we've got a lot further to go. Ooh. I need to see the retest first though. I need to see the retest. We'll go plus 12, plus 13. Let's go. Drink is brought to you by Sonic Grape and Cherry Mix Slush. Plus 14. Looking for 15 to 20 or 10 to 20. We're about to hit that 15 mark. I'm going to lock in some more profits. I'll lock in 8 pips. We're going to lock in some more profits. If you like your profits, take it. Can't go broke taking profits. If you go with 20 pips and you already caught 10, well, you got 10 plus more here, you should be done. Don't get greedy just because I'm still in the trade. Stick to your trading plan. What the dirty 30 going to do? We got 32 minutes. Plus 14. Plus 16. Ooh, it's trying to move now. Let's go. Come on. Give it to me. 18. That spread is so wide. I wonder if it's going to close it all the way. Come on, baby. Give us a 20 pips. 20 pip and dip. My bad, guys. We should have been in earlier. We'd have had 20 already. Got to be more careful. I'm going to lock in some more profits. I'm manually trailing my stop loss right now. I'm locking in 15 pips. I'm getting 15 no matter what. Come on, push. It's having trouble sitting at the zone right there. We should have already had our 20. Got to be more careful. Should have called that earlier. Either way, that's a win right there. If it gets me in stop loss, whatever. Nice. Good way to start the call out. If you got that trade, congrats to you. Somebody said they got 20 pips. Nice. Look like I got took out. Yep, I got took out at 15 pips. It's all good. I got took out. I'll take it. That's 35 for the night. 35 for the night. Took 17, got 15, got 20, took 18, 14. Let's go. All right. TJ 4 hour CBC imbalance zone. Let's go take a look. We got 1 minute until the next candle. Let's go see what GJ and GU looking like. Hey, we should have got in earlier. I should not have hesitated. We'd have got 20. We got 20. It's all good. Let's see here. German 30 for the buy. Oh, look at that. GJ pushing. GU not doing much of nothing. So like I said, what I'm waiting on GU, GJ to do, because there is no AIRO support zones down here. I've got the imbalance or the order blocks. So I'm waiting for price to come back down, come back, retest, and then drop again. I need to see the retest. No AIRO? Interesting. Dirty 30. Got that buy. I ain't touching that. Not even a retest on the 5 minute. All right, guys. So I have also decided, if you guys look at my charts, they look a little different. I should need to change this here some more. I have decided that I'm gonna stick to what I do. Not now. This doesn't mean we're not gonna look at other pairs, but I'm sticking to all the G's, all the GBP pairs and German 30. I don't care about no euros no more. I'm about to focus on what I specifically trade. Because as we go into this this new wave of the way we're going to trade with here we go with the trade rooms. My time goes from, I think I'm going down to, I don't know, I look at the schedule again because Jackie's going to start coming down and trading a little later at night, which means that I think my hours, my trade, I don't know. We'll see. My calls might get cut shorter than they are now. And so to do so, I'm just going to make sure I focus on what I believe that I am the best at trading, which is the G pairs and then German 30. All right. Now, does that mean GJ? Look at you. Does that mean we won't trade anything else? No, that doesn't mean that. It just means that this is what I'm going to focus on. That's what I'm going to focus on. And so we're going to see what happens. Get the top order block up there. All right. We got a quick little 18, 15, 20, whatever. Let's take it. Let's come out here and gold. Not looking at it no more. I don't even care about it. Bro. I don't care. Gold. We butt heads. BTC USD, go look at it. We can look at BTC. BTC not doing much of nothing right now anyway. BTC is one of those weird pairs. You can't really time BTC. That's what frustrates me about BTC, is that you can't really time it. There's no specific time to trade. I like to be able to set a schedule around it. It's not doing anything right now, so I wouldn't be playing with it. It's not doing nada. Had a banger earlier. If you had that trade, you might be up a few. Yeah, not much. But no, I mean, it's in a downtrend, but it's not doing much of nothing right now. So See what you guys got to say here. GJH4, see what's the imbalance. Oh, no worries. You just confirmed it. All right, cool. Yeah, I had that on there. So seeing how all the USD pairs have dipped well over 100 pips, wouldn't this mean that the MM are running out of liquidity to be dumping the price, which would mean price would have to retrace, right? Not necessarily. So I can tell you that the levels that the market makers are going down to or taking price to, or like where it stops at temporarily, are levels that have never been touched again. So all the levels that I have, like on GJ and GU, those are imbalance levels. Those are order block levels that have never been tested ever. And they're just now getting tested for the first time. So there's always going to be some levels that they can go back down to. And so does price have to come back up? Nope. If you guys remember last year, price, especially the indices, they just went down for literally a month and a half. Just every day was a sale day. You had some rallies like toward the end of the day, but for the most part, the overall market was just down for literally a month and a half. So no, price doesn't have to come back. Doesn't have to come back because they can always. That's the key. They want you to think it has to come back, and so they'll make it seem like it's about to come back, trap all the buyers in, and drop it again. I know a lot of people that were trading Euro USD yesterday, and they were trying to buy it back up. Oh wait, there's a gap, Nate, and it dropped 100 pips, and it's got to come back, and it dropped another 60, 70 pips. So no, it didn't have to come back at all. That's the beautiful thing about it. All you do is just trade. So try your best not to anticipate it. Bust it out. 20 pips bad on GCAD. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, Neo. Hey, what Neo trade today? Did Neo take a buy or sell today? Somebody let me know. Nate, appreciate you put me on this USD MXM pair. It's a bad mamma jamma. Yeah, that peso was a mover. Got to be careful on it, but that peso was a mover. 30 pips on GJ. GJ moving like that? I didn't get a retest. That's why I didn't take GJ. That is why I did not take GJ. GJ moving good though. Whoever got in that, congrats. So yeah, Asia breakout worked just perfectly fine. Asia breakout. There go GU. GU no retest either. Can we please look at Euro NZD 15 minutes? Let's go look at Euro NZD. Euro NZD 15 minutes. Nothing going on, Euro NZD. Nothing going on. Just chilling right now. G pairs are falling, so I'd expect Euro to be heading up, but there's nothing going on in Euro NZD right now. Do I still use the 200 moving average? Yeah, it's on my chart. The fat magenta moving average is the 200. All right. I'm new. What are pips? What are pips? So pips are how we measure the movement of price. All right. So let's go look at it here. All right. So you can see here, as of right now, price is at 1.70582. All right. Let's go right there real quick. 1.70582. All right. That is current price, give or take. It's kind of fluctuating right now. So there are 5 numbers after the decimal place. If there are 4 or 5 numbers after the decimal place, the 4th digit, which is the 8, is your pip. So if price goes from 1.70582 to 1.70572, that means price has went down 1 pip. If it goes from 1.70582 to 1.70592, that means price has increased 1 pip. The more pips you catch in the direction you believe the trade is going to go, the more money you make. So if we had caught this bag entry right here, and we put a buy right here, well, price went up as high as 80 pips. Therefore, depending on our lot size that we use, you multiply that by 80 pips, dictates how much money you make. So if you use a 0.01 lot size, that's the lowest you can use, then you would have made $8. If you use a 0.1 lot size, you would have made $80. And if you use a standard lot, which is a 1.00, you would have made $800. So pips equals money. To be exact, pips times the lot size multiplied by the lot size equals the amount of money you make or lose. Because if you get the trade wrong, then it's going to take money away from you in the exact same fashion. All right. Do we have to register for trade rooms next week? No. So anyone with a AIRO subscription will automatically have access to the trade rooms in the back office. They will no longer be on Zoom calls. They will be in the back office. So this is the last London session on Zoom. All right. We will reconvene on the back office. All right. So we'll put out over the weekend. We'll put out information on how to access it. Also, so look for that in the AIRO announcement channel and the AIRO bag chat. Also, we will. I might go over it on Sunday night. Actually, I'm going to change that Sunday night call. But yeah, we'll put some information there to let you guys know. With these AIRO chat rooms being launched, is it officially recognized that AIRO is an AP flagship product? So AP has no flagship products. AP has AP strategy is all about having a marketplace, a diversified marketplace to where you can come and you can utilize whatever products that work best for your needs. And the goal is not to stop. We've got 5, but we want to look to add additional products. If don't know what that number is, but there's going to be additional products added on that will allow you to be able to diversify your income as much or as little as you would like. So there are no flagship products. AIRO is just another product, just like the rest of them. The movement is to start to make a move or a shift with AP to do more manual trading than it has done in the past. AP was majority focused on expert advisors. Now the goal is a shift towards the manual trading side so that we have a good balance, 50-50 balance, 60-40, however you want to call it. But we want to balance now to where we have just as much attention on manual trading as we do with expert advisor trading. Nate, how's AIRO EA statistic about winning, losing trades? So the AIRO EA, which trade strategy number 9, so the market maker strategy. Right now for the month, I can tell you, let me go count the number of trades. Actually, I can tell you it's, let me go count it. Custom. So I'm gonna show you guys here. You guys can see on my phone. This is the AIRO EA as of this month. All that blue on the side. Look at that. 1 red, 1 loss. So for the month, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The EA right now is 19-1. So 19 wins, 1 loss for the month, and the month starting June 1st. So just the first 2 weeks of the month. It's 19-1. It's currently up 37.7% for the month right now. Currently up 37.7%. I can't tell you about drawdown. I've got to hook it up to a MyFX book. I can tell you I've never seen more than 5% drawdown though. So I look at it every day. I've never seen more than 5% drawdown. So we'll see. All right, check GER. Yeah, we take a look at it. Again, you guys know me, I'm not gonna probably look to enter into a trade until London opens. So there's no real reason to look at it until it's closer to time. We still got 17 minutes. It's coming back down. He's gonna let it make his move. If you want to trade it, cool. Be my guest. Be my guest. Make sure you use proper risk management, and make sure you've got a strategy to do so. My strategy is to try to catch the open session. All right. A lot of these indices, they like to make their move at the open. The market makers will move the market in one direction to try to fake people out and then flip it and turn it very quickly. And so my goal is to try to catch the London Open or the New York Open if I'm trading New York for the indices and try to pinpoint the entry. So we got 16 minutes here. Let's go look at the rest of them here. We better get new candles. GJ still following GU. You see everything slowing down right now as we get closer to the New York, I mean the London session, I'm sorry. London. So let's go in here and take a look at it. Make sure I got these set right. 15. GI for the sale. Let me go back and get this another look see. Let's go back and get this another look see real quick. 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't think I need an old one. Let's I see. Is that what you're gonna do tonight? You gonna pull one of those on us tonight? If so, we're gonna be ready for you. So AIRO's got GER 30 in a downtrend. All right. What I expect tonight, I have no clue. I was expecting it to run up yesterday. That was actually interesting with the way the market, the news, and everything. So we're just gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna just sit back and wait to see what AIRO gives us. All right. What does the market give us? What does AIRO show us? And our advanced training, what does it tell us? All right. So we'll see back. We got 12 minutes. All right. Yes, we will have videos and live trading sessions for the options. I mean, that's what the call was for tonight to announce all that. That's what the live session was for tonight. All right. We talked about it on this call multiple times. We will have both videos as well as the live trade sessions. All right. No Zooms no more, guys. No more Zooms. Everything's going to be in the back office. Everything's going to be in the back office. All right. Gold messed me up last night. Me too. Somebody went back in on GJ. All right. All right. Did a 500 giveaway? No, we have not done a giveaway yet. You guys will know when we do the giveaway. We're doing the $5,000 giveaway, the next one. And we will be, I'll announce it when it's going to be, so you guys know it. So if it has not been announced, you guys will see the announcements. They'll be all over the chat and the announcement channel. The software for trading the options is already available. It's called AIRO. You already have it. We talked about that tonight as well. So if you guys didn't make the call, AIRO is what we utilize. All right. To access the live chat rooms, we've already talked about it. If you're getting on late, guys, I'm not going to continue to repeat myself. We will make the announcement and let everybody know how to do so. All right. This weekend. All right. The back office is the website where you set everything up, where you go to get your VPS information. That's what's considered the back office. We will put a video in the chat showing you guys how to walk through. All right. Don't worry about it. It's not till next week. You'll get it this weekend, showing you how to do everything. All right. All right. We've got 10 minutes until the start of London. Go back to the chart. That GJ boy. GU too. It's slow, but I just 17 pips already. If we do take a trade on GER30, please use proper risk management. Do not over leverage your account. Don't put a lot size on there that can't handle any type of drawdown. Make sure you use proper risk management. All right. Look at GJ go. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. Got our 20 pips. We just had our stop loss a little higher instead of putting it so tight. So 15 pips. We up 35 for the night. And we haven't even got on GER 30. All right. Up 15 for the night. Up 12 pips on GU. Congrats. The call we had today, this evening, you can catch it in the Facebook. Just go back to the Facebook group. It was a Facebook Live. So it'll, once it's done recording, it'll pop back up. That way you can go back and rewatch it. And yeah, we're using two options brokers. One is Pocket Options, the other one is Nadex. Nadex, all right? If you are in the US, Nadex is only for US customers. If you're out of the US, Pocket Options is the option for you. All right, Pocket Options is the option for you. We're constantly researching more to try to find more to give you guys additional options, but those are the two that we're going to start off with based on our research and use of both platforms. GJ is just flying down. Good Lord. I'm a little mad I entered that GU. That was a good setup. I just need a retest. That's to be more careful. Let's see what happens in 2 minutes. Things should start to get a little more volatility here. Not much great news, so we should have a clean setup. We just sit and wait. We just sit and wait. Man, stuff is just falling tough. One minute to London Open. It's officially London session. Let's see what we get. What you gonna do? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? You gonna do what I think you're gonna do? Yeah, you gonna do it. You gonna do it, ain't you? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, Slowpoke. GJ falling off the cliff. GU, man, I'm about to. I'm about to take GU down to this next zone. Nothing down there. Still following. All right, guys, while we wait, I am jumping into a GU sell down to the zone. All right, jumping in a GU sell down to the zone, which is over 20 pips, but I'm almost going for 20 pips. All right, GR30. I'm gonna wait on you. I think I know what you're gonna do though. Just go do it already. Just go do it already. 490. Yeah, I think everybody like 490. Go do it already. I know what you want to do. Go on, give it to us. Go on and give it to us. This is the M5. Is there anything on the 15 that would give me a cleaner insight of where it might be? Oh, you gonna do it that way? All right, all right, all right. Gee, you quit playing with us. You ain't got all day for games. Gonna give us like 20 pips. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna make this real tight stop loss, guys. I'm putting this right above the previous candle. What is that? That's like about 23 pips. All right. Let's see this German 30 dude. You gonna do it that way? You gonna do it that way? All right. I'm good with it. I'm good with that too. Either way, it don't matter. Just do something already. We ain't got all day. We trying to get in and get out. German 30 for the buy. All right. Let's go and get up there. Give us our entry. Go and get it. Mm. All right. I can tell you guys, will be entering into a sale once this candle closes as a bearish engulfing. I'll be entering into a sale once it closes as a bearish engulfing candle. If you're going in with it, make sure to use proper risk management. All right. Make sure to use the proper risk. If it doesn't close, I'm not entering in. So right now, it's a no-go. It needs to be a bearish engulfing. It needs to be a bearish engulfing. I still don't like that, but you just gonna sit there? Are we frozen? We frozen. Yes, to be more careful. Come on, MT4. Anybody else frozen? Wow. Really? Gap down. All right. I like this setup. I need to come back, close this gap real quick, and then I'll enter in for the sale. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it because it wants to drop. Come on, don't do that. Pull back, close the gap real quick. Yep, that gap, that froze. I don't know what happened. I froze, so I need to come back, close this gap, then I enter the sale. I'm waiting for it to come close the gap. Once it closes the gap, if it closes on this candle, if it doesn't close on this candle, then well, that's no good. All right, no entry. We're just gonna sit and wait. I like what it's doing, but I don't like the setup, the entry. I don't like that at all. No, now you want to come close the gap. Is that what it is? Yeah, sell that had closed like it should have, and we didn't freeze. Target would have been TP1, this order block, TP2, this order block, top of this order block. So that's where I'm looking to take it down to. Yeah, we're not. I don't like this, so I'm not entering in. I'm not entering in. I'm not liking the way GER is moving. I hate the summers. I need my volatility back. There you go, GU. There you go. Head on down the right way. GJ. All right. GR. What you gonna do, man? We just keep watching. We'll keep watching. Beautiful bag entry. It's going. It's gonna come all the way down here. So I'll watch GER 30 long. If this thing had closed properly, yeah, we talking about some pippage. What is that? If this thing had closed properly, TP would be around 300. One thing I learned about GER 30 is that these minor gaps, typically the next candle, if it gap like that, it'll come back and close it and then continue in this direction, whether it's a buy or sell direction. It didn't do that. But because I know it's there, it's not going to make its big move until it closes that. If it does, I'd be surprised. But that's what I'm waiting on, or I was waiting on. Now we just wait for another setup. But as you can see here, we had the entry, the long wick, inverted, almost somewhat inverted hammer off of the order block here. All right. I was waiting on the bearish engulfing candle, which we had, and it froze right there. When it opened back up, it had a gap. All right. But if we had no gap and it was fluid, we'd been in for a sale. That's perfect entry right there for us. Perfect entry. And again, looking for 300 pips down to the top of the first order block down there. TP2 would have been the second order block, which would have been about 371 pips. Is it frozen again? This thing is just not all days are good days to trade, guys. This might not be that day. All right. This might not be the day. All right. This might not be the day. I've never seen this. This thing is just stuck. All right. Stuck. Congrats to the 10 LC team winning. Sell GJ, GCAT. Nice. What is this thing doing, man? All right, GU come back down. We're only down 5 pips. Good. We should be seeing some profit here pretty soon. But GJ still moving down. GJ moving back down. GI pushing down. GN was pushing down. GCAT pushing down. GChef pushing down. Here we go. Yeah, we should get that nice little 20 bagger down here. GU. Because German 30 is definitely not playing fair. Definitely not playing right now. But it's all good. You know, you wait for your entry and the setup. You get it or you don't. It still hadn't closed that gap yet. So we'll see what happens with this down here. If we can get a rejection back up, then we're looking for that. But as you can see, it's moving on down. Easy 300. We only had the setup right. Look at it. Moving on down. Easy 300. All right. So we already knew we were in a downtrend, guys. AIRO told us we're in a downtrend. And a 5-minute price came up. All right. Rejected off of the AIRO resistance zone and the order block. All right. Never broke it this again. So this is the top of the 80 channel. Never even tried to come to it again. And that's the entry we look for. Then you had the bearish engulfing candle afterward. That tells you what? It tells you to look for a potential sell entry. All right. And that's what I was looking for. It gapped down and I could have entered in here, but it didn't make any sense. I didn't want to have unnecessary drawdown. I was expecting it to come back. But if we had entered in there, we'd be up 175 pips right now. I already know somebody's already in it. Somebody's in it. Who's in it? If you're in it, say in it. I know somebody's in it. I know somebody's in it. I'm mad that I'm not in it. Up 175 hits. That's not bad right now. Not bad. Up 35 though for the night so far. We got 20 on GN, 15 on GCAD. We are only down 4 on GU. So good Lord, look at that. Look at that gap. Don't like this, guys. Don't like this. Days like this burn you. You think it's gonna go one way and it turns around on you. Might still go the right way, but these are days right here when things don't move, and we're not used to this. We usually have fluidity. We usually have full candles. We don't have gaps like this. Not this many. But if you're in the sale, congrats, because you're up over 200 right now. See, that's what usually happens right there. It gaps down, then it immediately goes back and fills it. That's what I was waiting on up there. And once it filled it back up there, I was gonna hit the sell. See that? That's what it usually does. That is what it usually does. All right. Are you bouncing off of anything? No, we already checked. I don't have anything there. All right. So it's bouncing off of potentially the bottom of Asia channel. So we'll keep that in mind. We'll keep that in mind. We'll keep a look at that. All right. We might be able to get an entry here. If we get a nice little rejection off the bottom of Asia channel, because Asia channel is like a resistance support zone. It's like a supply and demand zone. It's 122 pips. All right, we'll see. We'll check it out. Hey, we was GU. We was just down 2 pips, bro. Come on. Quit playing with us. That's a doji. Drop. Give my 20. Give my 20 so we can finish this night. G Chef testing the bottom of that order of that 1 hour, I believe, imbalance zone. If we get another, I don't know about that. Let's see here. How far is that from the zone? We might be able to get some. We'll see how that plays out. 30-30. What are you going to do? GU, 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 GU. GU, come on now. You playing with us now. Quit playing. Let's go look at the strength meter. GBP USD on the strength meter. All right, let's refresh. GBP low, USD. Come on now. You're supposed to be falling through the floor now, GU. Come on now. That is a perfect recipe for sale. Sale. All right. Cut 120 pips on GER 30. Close 200. Congrats. Congrats. Caught 45. Caught 200. Congrats. All right. Congrats. For those who risked it, congrats. Let's go GU. Come on. Straight meter says sell. So that means sell. GU straight meter says to sell. You're going the wrong direction. All right, guys, look like we're not going to get anything anytime soon. All right, with GER. So take away the chat and the Q&A. Q&A. Is it part of AIRO package or another EA? Everything's separate, guys. Anytime there's additional software added, all separate. All right. Right now, the AIRO EA, the market maker EA is what it's called. The market maker EA, because it's based on strategy 9, is not available. All right. I just give you guys updates on the software. All right. So it is not available right now. All right. All right. He was in it. Danielle was in it. All right. All right. Look left. Man, Dwayne out looking left. It's a long way. Long way left. All right. GU. GU. Let's get back. Minus A on GU. Minus. We're not in GER30. No real setup yet. Congrats to those who caught pips. Oh. It's gonna be one of them nights. Let's see. All right. 34 minutes to the top of the hour. Real slow night. Real slow night. Congrats to those that caught pips so far. All right. Waiting on GER30 to make his move. Look at that. Coming to close that gap. Should have done that the first time around. Big dummy. That's cool. That's cool. Come back, close the gap, bounce off this one more time, give us another entry so we can go ahead and catch these pips. Catch these pips. We wait. Patience. There we go, GU. Here we go, GU. All right, German 30. What are you doing at this moment? GN for ourselves. Good sign. Good sign. G pair is trying to push down. We need that. We need that. Need that GU to go ahead and make that big push. I need my 20 twin. Needs it. That'll make 55 for the day. That'll be a good day. 55 pips. Can't go wrong there. Can't go wrong with 55 pips. I'd let it have 155 or 355 or 255 with GER, but GER is playing games today. Right now, it's just ranging inside of the 80 channel. All right, just ranging. So we wait for a setup. Double dojis. Not sure that's a good sign. I don't like that. Now I need to see a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing, please. Please, bearish engulfing. GU, I need one of these right here, GU. GU, we need one of those bearish engulfings, please. One of the bearish engulfings, please. All right, German 30 coming out of the Asia channel with a bearish engulfing. Strong bearish engulfing. GJ pushing back down. Good. Let's go to GU. GI also pushing down. GN. GCAT trying to push up a little bit. There we go. There go G Chef starting to head back down. I like to see that. Need that. We need it in our life. We want it in our life to sell. Come on. Come on, GU. Fall to the flow. GU. GCAT gave us our pips very quickly. Right now, you holding the train up right now. Be more like G Chef or GCAT. Be more like GCAT. All right, GU, what you gonna do? Let's see if GU gonna give me what I thought I was gonna give us the first time around. So what I'm looking for is for GU to come down into this area, gives a rejection, and then head all the way back up. I don't see why it would come down there though. We got the imbalance here. Let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be one of those nights. It's gonna be one of those nights. See what you guys got going on. All right. USDCHF money's on breakout. Please check. Let's go check out USDCHF. Strategy number 4. All right. Yeah, it broke it like an hour ago. Right here. Excuse me. USDCHF is a New York system pair, so the volatility is not there to give us the move that we want to see. So I wouldn't be looking for anything right now on USDCHF personally. That's just me personally. Come on, G, you take us out of our misery. Hit TP. All right. German 30. Make your move. Be quick about it. The people want their picks before we get out of this call. What you gonna do, German 30? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, that entry would have been beautiful. Look at that. 358 right there. Come test the second one and give us our reversal. Come get in the second one and give us our reversal. There we go. GU, come on, push down, baby. We need it. What you gonna do, German 30? What you gonna do? You gonna give us a bullish engulfing? What you gonna do? Oh man, sorry about this, guys. It's one of them nights. It's one of those nights where you don't force a trade. You wait for a setup, or you just log out and go to sleep. Simple as that. If you guys were on a call, I'd probably went to bed by now. Very strange. Double check the news, make sure there's nothing coming. There you go, following some more. What I was looking for. See it come down here, touch this AIRO zone here. Support zone will give us a nice candlestick formation rejection from the inside of this order block here. There's a doji. Don't let me see a bullish engulfing after that doji. It's on. Close right there. Doji. Close as a doji. Come on. Close as a doji. Close as a doji. Or not. Or not. I guess you can give us a bullish engulfing. You gonna give us a bullish engulfing? What you gonna do for us? Show us something. Make us feel good. Make us feel like we can enter the trade. What we gonna do? GU, you about to get smacked. You supposed to. You got a tight stop loss on GU. Tell you. No, keep on dropping then. Oh, is that what you want to do? We get a bullish go for right there. If this closes a strong bullish engulfing candle, guys, I'll be in on a buy. But I don't think we're gonna get that. This thing is ridiculous right now. Wow. Okay. We just wait. Just wait. If it does come to the bottom of this order block that's in, all right, and breaks it, then we look for two. We look for one thing for it to come out, come back, give us a retest for a continuation in a sell, and we take that one down to this level. But it looked like our entry was spot on. Should it? I just didn't feel comfortable taking it on that gap. Our entry was spot on. Like I said, they had the setup there. All right, had the fake out of the fake out of the continuation in the Asia session. Came back down, bearish engulfing. We should have been in, but it froze on us and gapped down. We'd be up 465 pips right now. So that was the entry, which I was afraid of, but I wasn't going to take that. That gap. I don't do that. So I'm hoping that we can get a pullback, retest, and then a drop down to this next order block down here. That'd be potential 300 range. And GU like it may go stop us out because it's being stupid. All right. All right, jumping 30. Time for you to give us an entry. Stopped out by GU. At least I'm out. Some of you guys probably have a higher stop loss or no stop loss at all and holding it. That's fine. I'm stopped out. Tight stop loss on that. We are in no man's land on GU. All right, what are you going to do? Did it gap up? Really? Got to be more careful. Seven minutes to the top of the hour. And I am waiting on an entry on either direction. I just don't see anything yet. So I'm not going to mess with it. Our initial push, though, came right here. London Open happened, pushed to the upside for the fake out. That we were going to continue the upward trend on Asia channel, and it dropped. But again, we halted on that trade due to the fact that it gapped and froze on us for like 30 seconds. All right, that should give you pause as well. All right, guys, I'll be entering a buy here on GER to the 30. I believe so. Yes, I'm in a buy on GER 30. In a buy. Gonna go to the bottom of the 8 channel. What is that? That's about TP is potentially, I got 163 pips. All right, 163. Bottom of 8 channel. Just slightly before it. You guys know I never go straight to it, slightly before it. All right. Looking to get in, get out. Oh, now you want to play. You just gave a fatty candle, 84 pips, and now you want to play on us. All right, that's what I like to see. There we go. Plus 30. Should have got in back here. Has to be more careful. What is that? Pip 117. All right, plus 20, plus 50. All right. Plus 60 pips. Push it to the limit. Plus 60. Let's go. Come on, push it. We want 160. TP is 163. Give it to us. Give it to us. Plus 50. If you're happy with the profits, take them. If you are happy with the profits, you don't have to hold. All right. It is your income. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I would be doing. I'm gonna hold a little longer. Come on, quit playing with us. I'm looking for somewhere between 100 pips and TP, which is 163. Is where I'm looking at right now. And the reason I made bail earlier is, as you guys can see, it is a very, very, very weird night. Very weird night. Mm-hmm. If this trade get back to break even or profit, I would say I'm bailing on this trade. I'm seeing a setup for a sale that I don't like to hold. Let's see if we can get back in profit. We get back in profit, I'm getting out. I'll just let you know I'll break even. All right. I am seeing a setup for a sale as we speak. Get us break even. We should have took that 50 pips. Should have took it. Do, 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 do. Come on. Just a little more. Just a little more. Yep. Go on, get us out real quick. Minus 20. Minus 10. There you go. Oh, he's almost there. I am getting out of this trade, guys, at break even or slight profit, whatever the case may be. I'm getting out. I see it sitting up for a sale already. Should have pulled that trigger when I was at break even. Got to be more careful. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I told you set up for a sale. Gave us the fake out. All right, so what it did here, so you guys see what I see, is I'm looking for it to come back in here and retest. It retested all right, but it came back to retest the second zone. You see, it never broke it. And then it gave the immediate bearish engulfing. As soon as I saw that, I said, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It's just going to continue this sale. All right. So I took a 40 pip stop loss. I took a 40 pip loss. Not a big deal on that one. You use proper risk management, you can get it back. My lot sizes were bigger on the GCAT and GN. And for me, I'm going to have to see. I want to enter sell now. So it pulled the fake out. All right. Try to show the retrace, but never close above the second zone. It could continue to go back up, but I'm not expecting it to come back up here. to this zone ever again. It's better to just continue to fall, at least during this session. Could I be wrong? Of course, but I'm expecting it to just come down and drop. Now we would be in profit, but you got to be kidding me. So I'm expecting to sell. That's why I got out. I'm out of there. I'm probably not going to touch GER tonight. I don't like the way it's moving right now. We missed our entry right here. 513 pips from our original entry that we should have had if the market, well, we couldn't even get in if we wanted to because it gapped down and it froze on us for like 20 seconds. So 513 pips from the entry that we should have had. Look at that. Another zone. Another zone popped up. Yep, I'm not gonna play with it tonight, guys. Can't hear anything. So Brian, looks like you're the only one that says you can't hear. Can anybody else hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. If you can't hear me, let me know. Can you hear me? All right, you can hear. All right. Cool. So Brian, it might just be on your end. Everybody says they can hear. Oh, GER playing games. We were up 50, looking good. How do I find the dashboard? The dashboard, there is a video that shows you. All right, so for the dashboard, there's a video. Please watch the video that walks you through step by step on how to set up the dashboard. For the dashboard, you want to come up to this icon here that says charts. Underneath it, there's an icon that's gold folder with a gold star. You select that. All right. You come down here to expert advisors. And AIRO dashboard will be in there. All right. That's what you need to be looking for. There's a video that shows you how to set it up and how everything works. Please watch that video. Yeah, this thing about the silly sale. We coming down here. This is the bottom of Asia. This is a wick right here. What wick is that? If it gets past this wick, I may sell to the next zone. Where's that wick at? I might just leave this alone altogether. Maybe this one alone altogether. Can I explain about G-Chef? I don't know what G-Chef is explaining about. There GR goes. G-Chef, there's nothing to explain really. We didn't take a trade on G-Chef, so I'm not really sure how to explain it. I've got AIRO on here. I've got a 1 hour order block and a 1 hour imbalance zone on here. That's it. So there's nothing really to explain about G-Chef. We didn't take a trade on it. About current candles. Oh, those two candles, that's what's called a railroad. One straight down, one straight back up. That's just, right now, the price is just in consolidation, moving sideways, not really trending. We want trend. We're looking for trend. Trend is our friend because we can catch trend at a good point. We can ride trend in the direction of the trend and make some money. Yeah, here we go. Doji. You can give some bearish engulfing. Doji plus bearish engulfing. It came back up, retested. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Little W formation at the same spot. You messing with it, leave it alone. All right. Well, let me see, check your questions out here real quick. Check the questions out. Again, on the trade room, we will let you guys know where to go, how to set it up, how to use it. Wait for the videos to come out, guys. No information on the EA. No information. Just giving you guys results. Just giving you guys the results. I'm running 2 different modes on the EA. That's all I can tell you. 2 different strategies. All right. All right. Garvin says fib level retracement. Yep, things are going down. I think it's going down eventually. It's starting to head back up though. All right. But eventually I think it's going overall, it's gonna go down. Oh, he's gonna go up. I'm sorry, go down. Looks like you're explaining something on the chart, but you are on mute. Brian, yeah, you're the only one that couldn't hear that. Market is slow knowing this last Zoom call. Yes, I use the 1 minute time frame for entries. Reason being is we typically have tighter stop losses and lower drawdown with a 1 minute entry. I mark up my zones typically on the 1 hour, 15 minute, sometimes the 5 minute, and I use the entries on the 1 minute. All right. I missed a bag entry on gold. No, I didn't. I don't trade gold no more. Gold is done with that. Options start next week. We've already talked about this, guys. Next week on Monday. All right. Yeah, GER. I'm done with GER today. I'm done with it. I'm not gonna continue to deal with it. It's not moving. It's not moving correctly. Not moving like it should. Or the way at least that we're used to. And we missed our entry because MT, at least I don't know about my end. Anybody else's MT4 freeze like mine did when we should have got our entry the first time for that sale? Did anybody get that? All right, so it wasn't just me. MT4 is on some nonsense. All right. Link to the bag chat. If whoever's helped signs you up for AIRO, you need to get with them. They'll give you the link to the AIRO bag chat. All right. All right, guys. I hate that we had a slow night on our last night, but we'll always have the opportunity to get it back next week. Definitely, still eating off of yesterday. This week was a good week for pips. So definitely make sure if you guys gonna continue to trade, use proper risk management. Not any news, but just make sure you're not over leveraging, being dumb. All right. Let me see here. So we got any more questions left? See if we got any more questions. All right, none. I got one left here. Hey, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Hey, see you guys in funny papers. Thanks.